Okay, so this is lamb chops here. I'm not sure. What's this on top of the lamb chops? What kind of season?
Montreal.
What is it, like pepper? Garlic? Salt?
Mixed seasoning.
What's this other thing?
Scalloped potatoes.
What's in it?
Potatoes.
What else?
Milk, water, butter.
Milk, water, and butter? How much?
When you put your head down and go to work, you can accomplish some really great things. It's extremely impressive.
Tablespoon of butter, cup of milk.
His principal says Matt
Oh,
is
in
an
that
excellent
hot
student,
water.
but when asked if he could have predicted Matt's soccer success,
Wow.
let's say few saw it coming.
Oh.
His yearbook quote senior year was, winners never quit, quitters never win.
Okay, so the scalloped potatoes we have our oven on until it reaches 450 degrees. And then we're going to put the scalloped potatoes inside the oven. Where? On like the top? Okay. And we're going to leave it in there for 30 minutes until 6:30. Oh. Okay. Scraping the grill. That's crazy as fuck.
Turn it over here.
Can't even. You're doing it too fast. The camera takes a bit. I don't even know how to turn the fucking grill on.
It's on. Close the lid, let it heat up.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, where did you buy these lamb chops from?
Costco.
Costco?
We killed the lamb and we chopped them up ourselves.
Wow. Costco. How much was the lamb chops?
I don't know.
Too much.
$20.
Or is it in the meat section?
No, in the dairy.
In the fish section, where the fish are.
Oh, okay, so I think we left this on for like 12 minutes or something. Wow. Does it light up on both sides? What's the temperature at?
It went down. I opened it, it went down.
Can't even see the temperature.
It went down, Brian.
400?
Yeah, 400.
Okay. Okay, so he's going to cook it on this side for 8 minutes, and then he's going to cook it on the other side for 8 minutes. And my grill goes up to 600 degrees. It's at 400. So he's going to flip it after 8 minutes and then cook it for another 8, and it's done.